It's important to remember that an herb's effect on the body completely depends on its flavor and nature and what you pair it with. This is so crucial when we look at our books today and when we see actions and indications. These actions and indications are not wrong. Ren-Shen does all these things. We just saw it. But it is a direct result of the study of how flexible an herb can be in combination with other things in varying dosages from the Zhenglei Bancao talking about different formula. So we have the result of this in our books. This came out of Bensky, and we can say, tonifies source qi. Yep, we saw that it could do that. Nourishes the spleen. Yep, we can do that. It's not wrong. It's absolutely right. But what's happened is we've lost this breadcrumb trail that shows us how we got to that theory, right? So again, just because it lists 5 different functions for Ren-Shen doesn't mean Ren-Shen will do all these things just by throwing it in your formula. Very similar to seeing that Zhu San Li stomach 96 has the functions of harmonizing the stomach, fortifying the spleen, resolving dampness, blah, blah, blah. Just because you tap in a needle at Zhu San Li and leave your patient to let the herbs do, the needles do their magic, doesn't mean that those functions are going to happen, or only the one that you want, or only the one that's appropriate for your patient. You have to do something with that needle. You have to make a decision what you're doing. You have to know why you're making that decision, and what you do with your needle will determine the result you get with that point. Can that point do all those things? Yes. Can Ren-Shen do all these things? Yes. But you have to understand that it is relative. What do you keep saying? 没有绝对，只有相对。